Now we've got some rosemary apple sweeties. Gonna put them in there as well. See what happens to them. I bet these will explode.
There's gonna be so much sugar in there.
I know.
It will burn.
I'm scared.
Go on. Oh, look at that. Ready?
Ew. They start to smell. Oh, it stinks.
Look, show the camera. This is what happens to marshmallows and cola bottles when you heat them up.
Nice.
Yeah.
Right, these things have been in there for 30 seconds. Ugh.
I feel like we're doing like a documentary.
No. They're melting. Okay. Let's go for the next 30 seconds. Ugh.
What are they doing?
They're like melting. Oh, they stink. They stink like burning.
Smell. It's sugar.
Oh, that reeks.
Sugar's burning.
Ew! It's like a stew.
Oh my god, that's like caramelised, sugary. I bet that tastes like that though if it stops being hot.
Ow, fuck! Ow,
Yeah,
ow,
it will
ow,
be really
ow,
hot.
ow, ow, quick, quick! Oh, Jesus, my finger! Ow, fuck, quick! Oh, my finger!
You should stick it under there, it'd be burning hot. And
Jesus,
sugar
that
gets
was,
hot.
that was really hot. Ow, that really
Sugar
hurt.
gets hot, you dim.
Ow! Ow!
Don't show the video to your mum.
That really hurt. Oh, I'm not even joking. That is burning.
Yeah.